These are the Nice and Clean Smudge Guard Lens Cleaners. These are little cleaning wipes. You can use them for your glasses. That's what I mostly use them for. You can also use them for things like the lens on your camera or your phone, and they clean things really nicely. It's much better, I find, than just using a moistened like paper towel and that kind of thing. And they're also designed to not scratch the lenses, which is great. So they come in these little packs. You can throw some of these in your purse or put them in the car. I opened one up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and show you how you can open these up. They're fairly large once you expand them. They have a little bit of a wetness to them, but they're not overly damp, so you're not gonna have a lot of liquid on there. And then we're gonna take this and we're just gonna use it on that lens. So here I've got my sunglasses, just wipe this down, and then it's gonna dry off very quickly, which is great too. So we'll just let that dry off, and we've got a nice clean lens on my sunglasses here. So again, I love them for sunglasses, but you can also use them for cameras. You can use them for anything that's got an anti-reflective coating, like goggles if you're gonna be snorkeling, that kind of thing. And it's gonna take off all those kind of like, fingerprints, dust, smudges, that kind of stuff. Overall, I find it works great.